This 2021 Forest River XLR Hyperlite 3212 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 36 feet 4 inches in length and features water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, awning, refrigerator, stovetop burner, LP detector, smoke detector, slide-out, and 102 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River XLR Hyperlite 3212 is 8,593 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.